Breaking news now out of Milwaukee. Emotions running high in the second phase of John Spooner's trial. Things came to a halt after Spooner had an outburst in court. Our Todd Hicks is down live at the Milwaukee County Courthouse right now. Todd, this happened pretty much right away this morning, right?
Yeah, a big surprise there, Vinny. That trial hitting a temporary roadblock this morning after questions about Mr. Spooner's mental state came into play. Now, this all started when the judge asked if Spooner planned to testify. His attorney said no, but the 76-year-old insisted he wanted to talk. A short time later, Spooner's attorney said his client was not fit to continue. That judge then ordered a mental evaluation before that trial can resume. The Simmons family attorney said this is very unusual.
They obviously have grave concerns that this is indeed a tactic on his part to delay the justice that they want to have done.
And the jury already found Mr. Spooner guilty of killing his black teenage neighbor, Darius Simmons. They'll now decide whether he was mentally competent when he pulled the trigger. Of course, that trial is scheduled to resume at 2:30 today. We're live at the Milwaukee County Courthouse today. Todd Hicks, today's TMJ4.
Boy, and important, Todd, you used the words from the attorney there as he's talking about the disturbing nature this is to the family. I mean, we are in the sanity phase of the trial, so the whole point that the defense attorneys are trying to make is that this guy's not in his right state of mind. This obviously plays directly into that.
Well, of course, that's one thing that some of the defense attorneys have talked about today is whether this is just a tactic to stall. But in court this morning, John Spooner was visibly upset when he was told that he was not going to be able to talk. Of course, at that time, they broke away from the court proceedings, and the defense attorney had a private meeting with John Spooner, and he came back and he definitely insisted that John Spooner is not mentally fit to continue this trial. Of course, that is something that we'll see after a doctor interviews him later this afternoon.
All right, Todd Hicks, live downtown for us at the courthouse. Thank you, Todd. Now to this breaking news update.